How do I fix the contact poster problem after the iOS 17 update? Hey there, welcome back. In this video, I will show you an advanced guide on how to solve the contact poster not working problem on your iPhone. So let's dive in. Solution 1. Ensure that the name and photo sharing are enabled. Open the Contacts app, tap on My Card. After that, tap on Contact Photo and Poster, and make sure that you have turned on the name and photo sharing option. After that, tap on Share Automatically and select Contact Only. After that, try this next solution. Solution 2. Make sure the Show My Caller ID is enabled. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on Phone. After that, tap on Show Caller ID. Ensure that the Show My Caller ID option is turned on. Solution 3. Try to restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can often fix minor software bugs and glitches to help you resolve the issue. After restarting, check if your problem is fixed or not, and try the last solution. Solution 4. Try to reset network settings to fix your problem. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on General, scroll down, tap on Transfer or Reset, then tap on Reset. Select Reset Network Settings. After that, enter your passcode. After that, your contact poster not working issue will be solved. Now, if you found this video helpful, then hit the like button. If you still have any problems, then please write them down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.